Here's how to use my Strengths Journal. First of all, thank you so much for purchasing my Strengths Journal. This Strengths Journal was designed to give you a tangible way to record your strengths journey to go from talent to strength and strength to performance. This short video will give you an overview of the journal as well as a few ways to use it. Hey Ruben, I haven't actually bought my Strengths Journal yet. No worries, use this QR code and link to get your own at Amazon. Awesome! My name is Ruben and I am a Gallup certified Clifton Strengths coach, working mostly with Fortune 100 companies with more than 2 decades of experience speaking to tens of thousands of people. I created this Strengths Journal based on my experience facilitating people to learn and grow in their strengths journey. The first half of the journal is a carefully thought out sequence of guided pages to help you come up with your own strengths insights. The second half of the journal consists of blank pages for you to use however you want. Here are 3 different ways you can use my Strengths Journal. Number 1, as a guided journal. The most straightforward way to use this journal is to start from the beginning and spend a few minutes every day to follow the guided prompts to reflect and write down insights about yourself. The first half of the journal is laid out sequentially to lead you through my 3 steps of strengths insight. Connect to your talent themes, develop your talent themes into strengths, and finally empower yourself and other people as a strengths notebook. If you dislike structure and sequence, the second half of the book is for you. Use the blank pages to do whatever you like. As you make progress with your Strengths Journal, leave a comment if you have a question about anything, and also comment about your own progress so I can keep up with your strengths journey. And so you can also document your progress to see how far you've come. Number 3, use it in combination with my strengths workbook. Finally, if you have done a workshop with me, then you should have my strengths workbook, and you will have a lot more deep insight into strengths and yourself already. Take everything that you have learned to jumpstart your work with this Strengths Journal. You are already on a fast track, which should make for a lot faster progress than everyone else. As you use your Strengths Journal, refer back to your workbook and you will see how everything ties together and really see an acceleration in your own progress from talent to strengths to performance. You will notice a few extra things that we did not go over in our workshop that will help spark even more learning and insight. For more strengths insights, check out this next video.